Risk associated with monitoring equipment in hazardous locations. Burden on human-dependent manual operation. Costs that accumulate with each maintenance action. The first step toward a solution starts here. The road to a fully optimized smart factory via utilization of IoT is achieved through 3 steps. First, the deployment of Sushi sensor. The environment-resistant Sushi sensor can be easily installed in hazardous areas as well as various other locations. Long-range wireless communication facilitates collection of data for equipment dispersed throughout large plants and factories. The condition of equipment is quantified through the use of various data metrics such as pressure, temperature, and vibration. The collected data are stored in the cloud or an on-premise server. Regular online monitoring is enabled, allowing for continual, efficient maintenance. By deploying the Sushi sensor, various merits can be gained. Remote monitoring mitigates the burden associated with inspections of hazardous points, distant places, and locations that are difficult for operator rounds, while also securing the operator's health and safety. Condition of equipment is quantified, while experience and intuition of individual operators are shared. Utilization of data reduces potential variances in inspection quality. Long-term remote trend monitoring enables efficient maintenance operations, while significantly cutting down on daily inspection man-hours. These efficient maintenance practices facilitate the equipment in achieving its maximum value. In a world with a rapidly emerging IoT industrial field, the first step toward efficient maintenance and improved plant productivity starts from Sushi sensor. The road to realizing a smart factory. Embark on that quest together with Yokogawa Electric Corporation.